How to register an account on Athene Network. Are you guys facing issues to register an account on Athene Network? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Athene Network on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download it, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now click on Get Started, Agree and Continue. You will be provided with various options. You can sign up with the email, Google, Facebook and Apple ID. If you want to create an account with the Apple ID, then just simply choose the last option. Click on Continue and verify your face. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna register an account on Athene Network. If you guys have any issues regarding Athene Network, then make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.